Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I want to show you something that has made me a better baker. It is these PECULA oven thermometers, and oh my goodness, this is such a simple fix to problems that I was having baking. So these little oven thermometers are amazing. They are lightweight, very simple design. They can either stand on their own or they have a little hook. You can hang them on your oven grates. And these very quickly and accurately measure your oven temperature. And they have a range of 100 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. So these are just absolutely perfect for being able to determine your oven's actual temperature. So I was struggling with things like baking bread and getting things to cook properly and could not figure out what I was doing wrong. And then it dawned on me that my oven may not be at the correct temperature. When I set my oven to a certain temperature, it is not always what is actually going on inside. So having these little oven thermometers has made a huge difference. So now I can appropriately adjust the settings on my oven to get the temperature that I am looking for. So these come in a 1, 2, or 3 pack. I got the 2 pack and I love this because I can use one inside the house. I can use one in our grill or our smoker. Or I actually was able to put one inside my Dutch oven to see what the temperature was inside that before I actually baked bread inside it, and then I had the other one in the oven. I also found there was a slight discrepancy from one side of my oven to the other, so it was nice to see that as well. So if you are looking to troubleshoot some baking issues or just see what temperature your oven is actually registering at, then I would definitely get these PECULA oven thermometers. They are a lifesaver in the kitchen, and that is my point of view.